In this video, I will share with you guys step by step how I made $19,725 in commission with affiliate marketing using Facebook page. Okay, I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission, and I made this commission just in one single month from the first day of this month of July until the day 30 of this month. Okay, this is my commissions, this is my clicks, my CTR, and so on. So in this video I will share everything, my secret, my methods, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods, new strategies. And if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Okay, anyway, this is my affiliate marketing dashboard. It's not, guys, it's not screenshot. Okay, I can click here, I have my dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payment, post back, and so on. Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using Facebook page, so step number one, go to Google, okay, and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So all you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website, you can get more ideas about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses. They are really paying you just a few cents. This one is paying good commissions, okay? And the best part with this affiliate marketing business, it is that if a person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. And if this person keeps buying more services for the next 12 months, you will keep earning commissions from every single service he will buy, okay? It's really profitable. Okay, anyway, you guys can just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and scroll down. Account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and answer next few questions, and that's it. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, and this will be your commissions, your clicks, CTR, and so on. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to start promoting those services on Facebook page. Okay, so I will share with you guys the method that I'm using. So what you need to do next is you need to go to your Facebook page. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. So all of you guys have a Facebook page. So just open your Facebook page like this, your Facebook home page. Click over here on the search for restaurants. Okay, search for this keyword, search for restaurants. Okay, you have here filters. Scroll down, click on page. Okay, choose Facebook page, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook page about a restaurant that you can use. Okay, so here is what you will do. So I will scroll down and let's check this page here. I'm gonna check this one. Let's scroll down and here you go. You guys can see this also. This page it's active. You guys need to see the last post. If they are still posting posts about the food, then this page is still active. So like this one in the day 2 of July, they posted this post, okay, about this food. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you need to click here on message and we will send a professional. So I already sent one. Okay, but I will share with you guys how we can do it. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to click over here, guys, on message. Okay, click on message. So we'll send a professional message with our affiliate link to this page. So what service that we'll promote in this page? It's a service about my Google business. Okay, let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr homepage. Go back to Fiverr homepage and click over here on the search and search for my Google search for, let me show you, search for Google business. Okay, this one, search for this one, create Google my business. Okay, like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. So this service is about what? It is that those sellers will help those people who has a restaurant to add those restaurants into Google Map. Okay, so because a lot of people, they are using Google Map to search for a restaurant that if you go, for example, to a new city, you will use your Google Map to search for specific restaurants, because you don't know, you are new to this city, and you need to search, you need to use, a lot of people are using Google Map to search for restaurants. Okay, that's the importance of this service. If you have a restaurant business, you should add your restaurant business into Google Map. Okay, and that's what those people will do. Okay, so I want you to pay attention, like I said. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one will create a lot of Google Maps citation for GMP ranking. That's really good. This one is good. He has almost 5-star, over 1,000 reviews. This service starting from $25. I will click on this service. Just click on this service, okay? And you will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. All you have to do next is you just need to copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on this Facebook page. So what we will do, we will go back to our Facebook page, to this Facebook page about a restaurant, and we need to create a professional message and friendly message that we will use to use our affiliate link, and that we will send to this restaurant business page on Facebook. Okay, how we can create professional and friendly message? Just go to Google and search for this AI website. Search for ChatGPT. Okay, you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Just click on message, and you guys can copy my message if you want, or you can create your own message. So for me, I asked ChatGPT to create a professional message that I can send to people that I can send to a restaurant page on Facebook to buy my service about create my Google business from my website link. And here you go. You guys can see ChatGPT created a friendly and professional message. I hope this message finds you well. My name is, you can put your name here, and I specialize in helping local businesses enhance their online presence. I noticed that you can put the restaurant name that you want to send this message to here. Has a fantastic menu and a great ambience that they serve. It's amazing and professional message. What you will do, you guys just need to copy this message like this. Copy this message, and you guys see here your website link here. You will put your affiliate link. Go back to Facebook page and send this message to this restaurant page. And here we need to put our affiliate link. Okay, here. So what we will do, we will go back to our Fiverr affiliate account. And for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option if you have a new account, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here. And this affiliate link is too much long. We need to make it short link to make it more professional and branding. You guys can go to Google and search for this website, short URL, and you can put your affiliate link here and click on shorten, and your affiliate link will be a short link. Okay, like this. You just need to copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Facebook page, to this Facebook page, and put your affiliate link here. Paste. Okay, exactly like this. And here you go. All you have to do is you just need to click on send, and your message will be sent to this person. And here you go. This is just an automatic message, but they will reach out to you. Okay, if this restaurant business is not in Google Map, they will be interested to add their restaurant business into Google Map. If I have a restaurant business, I will be really interested to add my restaurant into Google Map. It's very important. Okay, let me show you why. If we go to Google and we search for, let's say, restaurants in California, for example. Okay, I'm new to this city and they want to go to a restaurant. I will go to Google and they will search for restaurants in California, and that's what I'm talking about. It's adding your restaurant business into Google Map, so people who are searching on Google, they can find your restaurant here, and they can check your restaurant and see if it's good, if they like it, if they like the food that you are providing. Then they will come to your restaurant using Google Map. Okay, they will find your location. That's what I'm talking about. This business here is very important. This service is very important to those people who has restaurant business page. Okay, and that's it, guys. Okay, you can see it's already people are using this. Okay, you can see, guys, this one, they have a restaurant business page here. This one, they add their restaurant business into Google Map. Here is another one, and if we scroll down, and so that's what I'm talking about. This is what this service is about. Okay, and that's it, guys. If you have any question, and I want you guys also to explain something, this commission that I made in my Fiverr affiliate account, it didn't come just from sending message to Facebook page, to this restaurant Facebook page. Of course not. I'm using YouTube, I'm using Pinterest, I'm using Twitter, I'm using Quora, I'm using LinkedIn, I'm using Google, I'm using, and so much more. Instagram, Reels, TikTok, all social media platforms. I have multiple accounts on those social media platforms that I'm using to promote my affiliate links to earn commissions like this. And in every video that I upload in my YouTube channel, I share with you guys new methods, new social media platform, new audience, and so much more. The videos that I'm uploading are not the same videos. Maybe you can see the same dashboard for the month the commission of the month that I made in this month, for example, but I'm using different services, different social media platforms, and in every single video, like I said, I share new social media platform, new service, and always new uh, service and new methods, new strategies. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. If you like to see more videos about affiliate marketing like this, comment affiliate marketing. And also my affiliate marketing course is available right now. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave my email in my description. Who people who are interested, please, just only serious people who are really interested and they want to take this business seriously and start making money seriously, who will stay consistent, who will work hard, who will guarantee me that they will stay consistent, they will post daily. Those people can reach out to me in my email, and I'm really happy to help you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.